Good evening guys. Today I am back with another video. Today my video is about why I sold my Ford Fiesta Classic. It's very heartening to say that I had to sell my Ford Fiesta Classic. Although the car was giving very good service, in fact I would tell you during these last 2 years of ownership, I was having the most pleasant experience with this car. But I had to accept the reality, so I had to sell it. The reason behind it, the first and foremost was, diesel cars are having very hard clutch, and since Ford Fiesta belongs to the earlier generation, so the clutch was on the bit harder side, and during city traffic maneuvers I was getting a pain in my knee, which I was getting fatigued after driving for half an hour or 1 hour in bumper to bumper traffic. It was practically a nightmare, pressing the clutch again and again and changing the gears. So this particular factor was affecting me a lot. Secondly, the car is just nearing 10 years within 2 or 3 months, and in Bengal we do a practice of 5-yearly road taxes. So I need to pay a road tax of 43,000 just after 3 months. And of the late, Fiesta cars are losing their resale value drastically. So I had two options in hand: either to keep the car by paying 43,000 tax and keep it for the lifetime of the car, that is 15 years, or dispose it off, get the money back and invest in a different car. But here I chose the second option. It's better to dispose of the car, since the car was in very good shape, and I know Ford is Ford, and any Ford lover will be willing to pick up this car at a good price. So I put up an ad in OLX, and the Ford guy contacted me, and once seeing the car, he immediately booked it and took the car on the next day. So I had to depart the car after 2 years of very pleasant ownership experience. Another factor that was also haunting me for the last few months, in fact the government of West Bengal haven't come with any decision regarding the diesel car, but I tell you guys, the future of diesel car is quite uncertain. It may happen within a 5 years or within 10 years span of time. The diesel car will be completely banned. In fact, what will happen, those who have purchased the cars, they need not worry, because for the lifetime of their car they will be allowed to drive their cars, but the resale value will drastically go down because you won't find a buyer to take the car. And already in our state, BS4 cars are not being registered in other RTOs, especially in urban areas. You may be able to register car in semi-urban areas, but in most urban areas they are not allowing to register their cars. So decided not to keep the car and sell it off. So that's the reason you are not finding any more Ford Fiesta videos at this moment. I have already purchased a used Honda City 6th generation, and more new videos are going to come up for this current car. Thank you very much and goodbye. Stay tuned.